I have here my phone model TW30 TV Duo. Well, this is MT65 uh, 6250 or 625A. I mean, before I can put serial number or IMEI, but I find a solution that can help you. As you can see, it has a TX and RX at the back of the sticker there. Sometimes they have labeled it, but sometimes don't have. So the upper one is the TX and the lower one is RX. You can see that. Oh, sorry for that. But it will actually just help. What you call that? It will just help for recognizing what type of CPU it would be. For example, this one. Sorry sa camera. Okay, I'm using this cable. I'm using this for RX and TX. I put a needle on there. I put needle, and I will also use this for power. So you have to put the negative or the ground and the positive. After that, you have to put the RXTX. This will help to detect what type of CPU, the right IDM over USB. So now, uh, IDI tools, then one IDI tools, and then start. Put the USB, and then power up the phone or power on the phone. It will say you have to hold the key or the mode. If you will just use USB, if you will not use RXTX pin out, it will not go or it will not detect it. So you have to help him detect what type of CPU it is. So now I'm reading the IMEI that I was did recently. Okay. Now I can change the MEI, but I will not do it because I already changed it. So I just want you to know that you can also do this if you have problem with USB writing IMEI, okay? So this is it. So you read the IMEI. Then you can rewrite the IMEI. Then it is okay now. Before that it was FFF. It was nothing. So thank you guys. This is Silly 144. See you next. See you again next.